This is my bird, and this is a family bird named Princess. And the other owner is over here, and her name is Leilani. And she's being a pain in the butt again. Okay. And right now she's eating bird seed, of course. But she don't bite unless you get her really mad. She don't bite. It's just she don't. What happens is that she's really upset because we can't get her out of the cage since we're outside. She's real upset. Well, here's the other fish, but the fish is a little bit mad, so I can't. And here's Mikey, Mr. Happy Face himself. He's really upset right now. Oh wait, go. See? He's all happy now. Who knows? I don't want to know. Okay.
Hey, don't forget me.
And here's, of course, again, the annoying sister of mine, which I love so much. And I wasn't with the monk. See? My sister.
Stop it.
Of course, see? She's annoying. See if you can get her out of the cage first.
My birdie. No.
Okay, so that's all I'm gonna put for now. So